Chapter 1. The Memory. In this lesson, we will learn about the main or primary memory of a computer and its types, difference between RAM and ROM, units of measuring memory or storage, secondary memory and its purpose, secondary storage media. One of the wonderful features of a computer is its ability to store a large amount of data that can be retrieved at a later stage very quickly. The computer stores information in its memory that is either built into the device or is connected externally. Memory is also called the storehouse of the computer. The computer memory is of two kinds, primary and secondary. In the earlier classes, we have learned about computer and its memory. Let us do a quick recap. Primary memory. Primary memory is directly connected to the central processing unit, CPU, of the computer. There are mainly two kinds of primary memory: random access memory, RAM, read-only memory, ROM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is in the form of a chip that is attached to the motherboard of the computer. RAM is the computer's working memory. It is temporarily stores programs and data that are being used at a given time by the processor. RAM is also called R or W, read or write memory, where information can be read and written. The contents of RAM can be changed. If power to the computer is turned off, the contents of RAM are lost. Memory, which is wiped clean automatically when the computer is turned off, is called volatile memory. Read-only memory, ROM. ROM is the computer's permanent memory. The contents of ROM cannot be changed. They can only be read. ROM is a memory chip that is generally installed by the manufacturer of the computer during the process of manufacturing the motherboard. If power to the computer is turned off, the contents of ROM are not lost. Such memory is called non-volatile memory. RAM and ROM are both random memories. The term random is applied because the CPU can access or place data to and from any location of RAM and ROM directly. Bits and bytes. The size of a computer's memory is normally measured in kilobytes, KB, megabytes, MB, or gigabytes, GB.
What are kilobytes, megabytes?
The smallest unit of computer memory is called a bit. One bit is a single binary digit and can have a value of either 1 or 0. The unit of measuring memory of a computer is called a byte. One byte is made up of 8 bits. Half a byte consists of 4 bits and is also known as a nibble. Kilobytes and megabytes are higher units of measuring memory. 4 bits equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits equal to 1 byte, 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte KB, 1024 KB equal to 1 megabyte MB, 1024 MB equal to 1 gigabyte GB, 1024 GB equal to 1 terabyte TB, 1024 TB equal to 1 petabyte PB, 1024 PB equal to 1 exabyte EB, 1024 EB equal to 1 zettabyte ZB, 1024 ZB equal to 1 yottabyte YB. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is usually called secondary storage. The device that actually holds the data or reads data from it is known as the storage medium. Hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk CD, digital versatile disk DVD, and pen drive are some examples of secondary storage media. Each of these devices have a different storage capacity. CD, hard disk, DVD, and pen drive. Let us now represent the memory of a computer with the help of a diagram. Secondary storage media. There are three types of secondary storage media. Magnetic storage media. Magnetic storage media and devices store data in the form of tiny magnetized dots. These include floppy disk and hard disk. Floppy disk. A floppy disk is a circular piece of plastic coated with a magnetic material and protected by a hard plastic cover. The size of a floppy disk is measured in inches and it is usually 3.5 inches wide. Each floppy disk can store 1.44 MB data. Floppy disks have become obsolete now. They have been replaced with higher capacity storage devices such as CDs, DVDs and pen drives that use modern technologies. CD and DVD are both circular in shape. However, a DVD has a much higher storage capacity than a CD. Pen drives are much smaller in size with several times higher storage capacity than a DVD and are available in various shapes. Hard disk. A hard disk is a circular metal disk coated with magnetic material and usually sealed in a hard disk drive inside the computer. The data access speed is very fast, and data stored on a hard disk can be accessed much more quickly than data stored on a floppy disk. Hard disks have a very large storage capacity, up to 1 terabyte. Hard disks are of two types, fixed and portable. Fixed hard disk. A hard drive built into the case of a computer is known as fixed. Almost every computer has a fixed hard disk. Portable hard disk. A portable hard disk, also called external hard disk, is one that is placed in a small case. It is used in addition to the fixed hard disk and can be taken from one place to another easily. Portable hard disks allow a very large amount of data to be transported from one computer to another. Fixed hard drives act as the main backup storage device for almost all computers. Optical storage media. Optical storage devices save data in the form of patterns of dots that can be read using light. A laser beam is the usual source of light. Such devices include CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and Blu-ray. CD-ROM. Compact discs are available in three forms: CD-ROM, CD-R, and CD-RW. CD-ROM. Compact disc read-only memory, resembles an ordinary compact disc. It can store approximately 650 MB of data, which is 400 times the data that can be stored on an ordinary 3.5-inch floppy disk. CD-ROM disks have preloaded information provided by the manufacturer and are read-only. This means that the information on a CD-ROM cannot be erased or changed, and no new information can be saved. They are typically used for distributing software and music. CD-R, compact disc recordable. These are purchased as blanks and can then be written on by a CD writer. Once written, the disc cannot be rewritten and becomes a CD-ROM. CD-RW, compact disc rewritable. These are purchased as blanks and can be written on by a CD writer. Once written, the data can be erased and rewritten by a CD rewriter. DVD-ROM. A DVD disc can store up to 17 GB of data. This storage space is enough to store at least 4 full-length movies. Hence, DVDs are expected to replace ordinary compact discs and videotapes in the future. Blu-ray. A Blu-ray disc can hold 25 to 50 GB of data. A dual-layer Blu-ray disc can hold twice that amount. They are random access devices. Blu-ray discs are used in the same manner as DVD-ROMs, but since they can hold more data, they are also used to store very high-quality, high-definition HD video. Pen drives are popular as they work using flash technology, have no moving parts and hence do not wear out soon. Solid-state storage media. The term solid-state essentially means no moving parts. USB memory sticks. Memory sticks or pen drives have become very popular these days. They are plugged into the computer and can be used to move any type of file between two computers. Sum up. Computer memory consists of primary and secondary memory. There are mainly two types of primary memory: random access memory, RAM, and read-only memory, ROM. The contents of ROM cannot be changed. They can only be read. RAM is also called R or W, read or write memory. The contents of RAM can be changed, added or deleted. Half byte or nibble is 4 bits. 1 byte is 8 bits. 1 kilobyte KB is 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte MB is 1024 into 1024 bytes or 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte GB is 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte TB is 1024 gigabytes. Secondary memory is also called secondary storage. The device that actually holds the data is known as the storage medium. Hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk, CD, digital versatile disk, DVD, and pen drive are some examples of secondary storage devices. Magnetic, optical, and solid state are 3 kinds of secondary storage media. Magnetic storage media and devices store data in the form of tiny magnetized dots. Examples of secondary storage devices are hard disks and floppy disks. Optical storage devices save data as patterns of dots that can be read using light. A laser beam is usually the source of light. Such devices include CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and Blu-ray. The term solid state essentially means no moving parts. Example is a pen drive.